Hey everybody, today I want to talk to you about the Wilderness Survival Kit from Best Glide. Now I have several things from products from this company. I've liked them quite a bit. I've dealt with them over the years, several years, since about 2006 I believe. Been very satisfied. The people are extremely helpful and they're more than willing to answer your questions, put something together for you, figure out exactly what you need. That being the case, their site really goes into detail. I mean, it lists every single item in the kit. So I am not going to do that. I'm going to show you the packets that are inside the kit so you can see them. Just a little overview of each packet that's in the kit, in the bag, excuse me. And you can look at their website and see an in-depth list of every item, okay? So we'll just get right on it. I don't want to waste a lot of your time. Appreciate it if you like what you see, that you'll hit the like button, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel. So let's check it out. Okay, again, this is from Best Glide Aviation and Survival Equipment, okay? Their phone number is right there. You can always pause this video if you need to, so you can write that down, although it'll be on their website. Okay, so let's check it out. What's inside? This is a very well-rounded, kit. It has a little bit of everything. This would really meet the overall need for an emergency, because that's what they're for. They're emergency survival kits, and that's it. So it will definitely meet the needs for most anything you come up with. So let's start and see what all's inside of this. Oops, set this here and check it out. Okay, this is overall just a lightweight pack of everything from sting gel to antibiotic cream to triangular bandages, large trauma bandage. It's got aspirin in it, band-aids, just an overall kit with minor medical supplies in it, but enough that handle most things that come up unless you're severely injured. So some of the things in the kit are sealed. I'm definitely not going to open them, like this particular bandage that you have here. They're sealed. I don't want to open them up and show you their emergency, but that's what I like about their gear. Everything's protected and sealed. Different, some gauze, a triangular bandage here, some gauze pads right here, and then, like I said, there's all types of little antibiotic creams and aspirins and bee sting gels, things like that. Okay, so a small first aid package. So we'll set that here, so just enough in view you can see it. What's next? Well, we have 2 mosquito hat nets, mosquito head nets. Okay, you can put them over your hat, over your head, so you don't get eaten alive by mosquitoes. We'll set those there. We have a bag with 50 feet of paracord in it. 50 feet of paracord. Now these are what I'm talking about. I'm not going to open all these up and take everything out for you guys. They're set up pretty well, and I want to keep them as compact as possible. Anyway, this is a sewing kit, survival sewing and repair kit. Okay, so you can imagine anything you need to sew something, it's in here. Okay, now what you're going to notice about this, other than this bag right here, other than this, all their bags are like this. These are heavy duty Mylar waterproof bags. What's good about that is the fact that even with this small bag, now this is the smallest one in here, the larger bags, you can scoop up water and then seal them closed and put that water in the back of your backpack if need be, and store some water and get it back to wherever you may be staying. In an emergency situation, it's a good way to carry water. So a sewing kit, and then this one's considerably more in depth. You have, what all you have waterproof matches, okay? You have an emergency blanket. You have a flint steel, fire steel. This is a magnifying glass. There's some tinder fire starter here. 2 packets, 2 large packets here of fire starter. And then this, if I remember right, this is, let me grab the glasses real quick so I can tell you what this is. Okay, yeah, this is just basically an overall repellent for all different types of insects. It's an insect repellent. So, anyway, heat, fire starter, emergency blanket, bug repellent, matches, everything you need there for getting fire going. So we'll say that. Next, big deal of cordage. This is just nylon, typical, nylon rope, but good amount of cordage there. Here you have a wire pocket saw. You know how to use that. Just put the ring on each finger, start sawing away on whatever you need to cut. Wire pocket saw. A water bag for storing water. Now, like I said, you can use these pouches, of course. They will hold water as well, but it comes with a water bag, okay, for you to obtain water and put it in there. This has got a compass, a little manual for those people that don't know how to use a compass. There's a little manual that comes with it. A compass. There's a journal, that's the yellow one here, pencil, a multi-tool, a signaling mirror, okay, 2 different glow sticks for light. There's a razor knife, there's a flashlight, an emergency whistle. So, nice little kit. Again, that's, as you can tell, pretty much everything you need in an emergency. This is pretty sweet. This is an entire fishing kit right here. I will say that, I understand that things can open up, but I like the fact that they go the extra mile and they make sure that it's not going to open and spill out all over on you, okay? But it's a basic fishing kit, okay? Inside that, I'll take this out since it's open, you have some brass wire, 2 pouches of water purification drops, can opener, coffee filters, and some aluminum foil. Catch a fish, you can cook it. So that's that. And again, as you can tell, in these really, really nice pouches to save everything in. Great pouches. I like them. Okay. John Lofty Wiseman. Everybody's in the survival area is familiar with this guy. He wrote the Ultimate Survival Guide. This is a small version that comes in the kit. A small version of his Ultimate Survival Guide, which is basically a compact version. This comes in the kit. This does not. Okay. This is a compact version of his. Okay. His main SAS Survival Handbook. So it's a quality written survival guide by someone who really knows what he's talking about. Very, very well known. Okay, and you got a tent. Okay, survival tent. Comes with a cord. And lastly, you have, I'm not going to take them all out, several of these packets of water, quite a few packets of water, and then a couple of packets with multiple bars in it of food ration bars. Okay, now what I want to say about these bars, first of all, you see their size. Each bar, this is 2 bars thick. Each bar is small. The reason for that is you're getting all the nourishment you need. I got to tell you, it's very important for you to know this if you're new to this. If you eat any of these bars, you must drink the recommended amount of water, or you are going to get radically constipated and sick. Not that this will make you sick, but after you get stopped up, you're going to end up getting sick. So You must drink the appropriate amount of water. This isn't candy to snack on all day. They're ration bars. You use the amount that they recommend, or you're going to end up with stomach problems, okay? Very, very important. So that's it. That covers the entire bag, everything that's inside the bag. And as you can tell, food, water, fishing, medical, survival instruction book there that might help you. Water bag for carrying water, not to mention, like I said, compasses, signaling mirror, whistles, multi-tools, everything you can imagine, everything you need in one of these bags. All the fire starter and kindling tinder you need, cordage. Put these things back here a little bit for a reason. Sewing kits, mosquito nets, keep yourself from getting eaten alive, at least on your face. Weissman's book, condensed version saw, and then again the medical pouch. It's got dual zippers on it. They're strong. They're not the kind that fall apart and break and get all screwed up on you. Again, it's the Best Glide Aviation Survival Equipment Company that manufactures this. Links below. In-depth information of everything that's in the bag and prices. This bag comes in different colors. You don't have to have red. And they have a lot of gear there that's very much worth looking at for survival and emergencies. So, highly recommended. Done business with them for years. Great company. I think you guys put this up. Say okay. I think you guys would like doing business with them. Very friendly people, very knowledgeable. So, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and you guys just have an awesome day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.